children. Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Welcome back to English class. Okay? Are you ready for the class? What we learned in previous class? Usage of above, below. What are the prepositions? What are prepositions? Above, below, in front of, behind. Up is called prepositions. Our lesson name, usage of above and below. Above, below, etc. What are prepositions? Above, below, in front of, behind, up, in are called prepositions. Above, below, in front of, behind, up, after are called prepositions. Are called prepositions. What are prepositions? Above, below, in front of, behind, up, after are called prepositions. What we learned in previous class? Above, completed. Below also completed. In front of, behind, completed. Now today, up. One more time. Above. See, repeat. What are above? Can you see the picture, children, all of you? See, this is the cow. This is the cow. This is the crow. Where is the crow? Where is the crow? The crow is flying. The crow is flying above the cow. Where is the crow? The crow is flying above the cow. Say, I am a cow. I am a cow. The cow is flying above me. The cow is flying above me. Me who am cow. Next, I am a little sparrow. I am a little sparrow. See the picture. This is sparrow. This is crow. This is sparrow. This is crow. Where is the sparrow? Where is the sparrow? The sparrow is flying below the crow. The sparrow is flying below the crow. See below here. Crow below. Sparrow is there. Yes or no? Below. Crow below. Sparrow is there. Sparrow, crow below flying. I am a little sparrow. I am a little sparrow. I am flying below the crow. I am flying below the crow. I am a little dog. I am a little dog. This is dog. This is dog. This is cat. This is dog. This is cat. I am a little dog. I am a little dog. Where is the pussy? Where is the pussy? The pussy is in front of the dog. The pussy is in front of the dog. Where is the pussy? The pussy is in front of the dog. Front pussy is that dog. Front pussy is that pussy who? Cat. Who pussy is? Cat. See, dog front. What? What is this? Cat is there. In front of pussy is there. I am a little dog. A pussy is in front of me. A pussy is in front of me. I am a little boy. I am a little boy. See the picture, all of you. I am a little boy. My bunny is behind me. My bunny is behind me. Where is the bunny? The boy behind. Boy behind the boy behind. The bunny is boy behind. The bunny is boy behind. Where is the bunny? Where is bunny here? Dog. Bunny here? Dog. Where is the dog? The dog is behind the boy. The dog is behind the boy. Next, this is yesterday completed. Today, I am a little push. Next, up. I am a little pushy. I am a little pushy. I am a little pushy. And climbing up the tree. I am climbing up the tree. I am climbing up the tree. See the picture, children. Can you see? This is a tree. This is a tree. This is a pussy. This is a pussy. Where is the pussy? Pussy cat. Pulkaran Shiva. What are you doing, boy? Sit properly. Fold your hands. Listen carefully. This is pussy. Pussy cat. I am a little pussy. I am a little pussy. Pussy who here? Cat. Pussy who here? Cat. Where is the cat? Where is the pussy? The pussy climbing up the tree. Climbing means climbing up the tree. Climbing up the tree. Pussy climbing up the tree. Where is the pussy? The pussy is climbing up the tree. I am a little pussy. I am a little pussy. And climbing up the tree. Where is the pussy? Climbing up the tree. Up the tree. Climbing up the tree. M socket, sit properly. The dog is running after the cat. Next one. See the picture. This is cat. This is a cat. This is a dog. Cat, dog. The dog is running. The dog is running after the cat. The see the picture, all of you. The dog is running after the cat. The dog is running after the cat. Where is the running? Where is the running dog? The dog is running after. See? The dog running after. After the cat. The dog is running after the cat. The dog is running after the cat. The dog is running after the dog running. Dog running after the cat. Dog running after the cat. See? First running cat. After running dog. First running cat. After running dog. The dog running after the cat. Next, the chair is in front of the table. The chair is in front of the table. The chair is in front of the table. Where is the chair? Where is the table? Where is the table? Where is the table? Chair in front of. Where is table front chair? Table in front chair. See? This is table. This is chair. This is table. This is chair. Table in front of is there chair. You observe the picture, children. The table back side, behind. Chair behind, table is there. Table in front, chair is there. See? Chair behind, table is there. Table front, chair is there. In front of the chair. The chair is in front. The chair is in front of the table. Chair front of the table. In front of the table. Next. Last one. The wash basin. The wash basin. The wash basin is behind the curtain. Behind the curtain. The wash basin is behind the curtain. See the picture. Last one. Wash basin. Wash basin is there. Here curtain is there. Wash basin and curtain. Where is the wash basin? Where is the wash basin? Wash basin behind the curtain. Wash basin behind the curtain. Curtain, wash basin front is there. Curtain, wash basin front. Wash basin, curtain behind. See children, listen. One more time. The wash basin is behind the curtain. Is front curtain is there, behind wash basin is there. See the picture, all of you observe. You picture the observe, Nana. The wash basin is behind the curtain. The wash basin is behind the curtain. Prepositions. What are prepositions? What are prepositions? Above, below, in front of, behind, up, after are called preposition. After are called preposition. I am a little pushy. I am a little pushy. I am a little pushy. I am climbing up the tree. I am climbing up the tree. The dog is running after the cat. The dog is running after the cat. The chair is in front of the table. The chair is in front of the table. The wash basin is behind the curtain. The wash basin is behind the curtain. See children, this is a tree. I will explain one more time. This is a tree. This is a pushy. This is a tree. This is a pushy. Huh? The pushy climbing up the tree. Climbing up the tree. Pushy climbing up the tree. See the picture. Next. The dog is running after the cat. The dog is running after the cat. See, dog running after the cat. First running cat. After running dog. The dog is running after the cat. The chair is in front of the table. The chair is in front of the table. Chair, table in front. The wash basin is behind the curtain. The wash basin is behind the curtain. Wash basin behind the curtain. Okay? Read with me, all of you. I am a little, L-I-T-T-L-E, L-I-T-T-L-E, little, pushy, P-U-S-S-Y, pushy. I am a little pushy. I am a little pushy. I am climbing up the tree. I am climbing. C-L-I-M-B-I-N-G, climbing. Climbing up the tree. U-P up. T-H-E the. T-R-E-E tree. And climbing up the tree. The dog is running after the cat. T-H-E the. T-H-E the. D-O-G dog. I-S is. The dog is running. R-U-N-N-I-N-G. Running. R-U-N-N-I-N-G. Running. After. A-F-T-E-R. After. A-F-T-E-R. After. The. T-H-E. The. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. The dog is running after the cat. The chair is in front of the table. T-H-E the. T-H-E the. Chair. C-H-E-I-R. Chair. I-S is. In. I-N. In. Front. F-R-O-N-T. Front. In front. O-F. Of. The. T-H-E the. In front of the. Table. T-A-B-L-E. Table. T-A-B-L-E. Table. The chair is in front of the table. The chair is in front of the table. T-H is the wash. W-A-S-H, wash. Basin. B-A-S-I-N, basin. The wash basin is, yes, is behind. B-H-I-N-D, behind. B-H-I-N-D, behind. The, T-H-E, the. Curtain. C-U-R-T-A-I-N, curtain. C-U-R-T-A-I-N, curtain. The wash basin is behind the curtain. See, children. See, the wash basin is behind the curtain. In this sentence, which word in preposition? Which word in preposition? The wash basin is behind the curtain. Behind preposition. I am a little pushy. I am climbing up the tree. In this sentence, which word in preposition word? Which word in preposition word? Up. I am climbing up the tree. Should be up. The dog is running after the cat. Which word in preposition word? Set. After. The dog is running after the cat. This is preposition. Next. The chair is in front of the table. The chair is in front of the table. In this sentence, which word in preposition word? The chair is in front of. In front of. This word is preposition word. What are preposition? Above, below, front, behind, up, after are called preposition. Don't forget, children. Don't forget. In, up, on. These also prepositions. Okay? Okay, children. All of you understood this class? If you have any doubt, raise your hand. Okay, Nana? This is our lesson. Usage of above and below. Total completed. Today homework. Read this lesson. Only read. Okay, Nana? Today page number 17. Total lesson you read. Okay? Thank you.